Good evening guys, this is Narbel. I just wanted to feature this fountain here in front of Resto Bar because I really find it nice, very beautiful. This so cute. You see, it's really nice. Thank you for watching guys. This is Narbel. Hope you learned from me today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified every time I upload video on YouTube. See ya.